वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Now you can repeat after me. Aiun Riluk Eong Aiouch Hayavarat Lan Nyamangananam Jabhai Khadadash Jabagadadash Kapachathatha chatatau Kapai Shashasar Hal. Okay. You can repeat now. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha.
Ramaha.
Harihi, Hari, Harayaha.
Harayaha.
Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha.
Guravaha.
Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha.
Pitaraha.
Karta, Kartaro, Kartaraha. Eshaha, Eto, Ete. Ayam, Imau, Ime. Jayashree, you can mute your mic. If this is what is that, how can we do the class? Saha tau te. Kaha kau ke.
कः
कौते
Then Strilinga Shabda. Rama, Rame, Ramaha.
रमा रमे
रमे रमाः
Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha.
नदी
नद्यौ
नद्यः
नद्यः
Matihi, Mati, Matayaha.
मतिः
मतयः मतयः
After that, we saw Dhenu and Vadu. I could not type it here. I will do it later and send you. You can repeat. Dhenu Shabda. Dhenuhu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha.
धेनुः
धेनवः
Then Vadu, Ukaranta Shabda. Vaduhu, Vadvau, Vadvaha.
वधूः
Etad Srilinga. Esha, Ete, Etaha.
एषा एताः
Iyam, Ime, Imaha.
इयम्
इमाः
Sa, Te, Taha.
सा एताः
Ka, Ke, Kaha.
एकाः
All these are Strilinga. So Pullinga and Strilinga, we have seen. The Napumsakalinga, you can repeat after me. Pala Shabda, what we saw. Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Pala Shabdaha. That summary also I will give you later. We know, therefore we can chant. Palam, Pale, Palani.
फलं
Then Idam Shabda. Idam, Ime, Imani.
इदं इमानि
Etat Shabda, Napumsakalinga. Etat, Ete, Etani.
एतानि
Tat Shabda, Tat, Te, Tani.
तत् एतानि
Then Kim Shabda, Kim, Ke, Kani.
किं एकानि
Up to this we saw in the last class. Have we read this part? Idam Pustakam, Idam Shariram.
No, we haven't yet.
Okay. Before we reading this, already we have seen this. Let me ask you to read something else. You can do just a quick recap of what we saw. So the first person, Girijaji, you can do the reading. Now the topic is Griham. So whatever the objects which are belong to Griham or in the Griham that are given. Now we have to identify the gender and decline it. Okay, Girijaji, you can take, each one of you can take two words. The first one.
Alayaha.
So what could be the gender?
This could be Pullinga and Akaranta. Akarantaha Pullingaha Alaya Shabdaha.
You can decline Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam.
Okay, Guruji, just a moment. Alayaha, Alayau, Alayaha. The second one is Pakashala. By the la sound, it is Strilinga. And Pakashalaha.
Not Pakashalaha. It is Pakashala, Pakashale, Rama Shabdabad. You have to see the Rama Shabda.
Pakashala, Pakashale,
Pakashala, Pakashale,
Pakashala.
Pakashalaha.
Pakashala.
All these shabdas should be in your memory. So you have to memorize the shabda. Only Pratama Vibhakti we have learned. There are other Vibhaktis are there. We have not yet started. It's a long way to go. So you need to know all these things. Manjula ji, next 2 words.
Puja Gruham.
Alayaha, you know the meaning. Alayaha means place. It's a temple also. Pakashala is kitchen. The next one, Puja Griham and Sukhasanam.
Puja Gruham, Napunsakalingam, Pala Shabda.
Yes.
Puja Gruham, Puja Gruhama is there,
Yeah, you can decline it. Puja Griham.
Puja Gruham, Puja Gruhe, Puja Gruhani.
Good. Puja Griham is, it is the shrine. Puja Griham means the place of worship. That prayer room. Puja room. Puja Griham. Okay, then the next one.
Sukhasanam, Sukhasanam, Sukhasane, Sukhasanani.
Asanam means seat or the chair. Seat. Sukhasanam is comfortable seat. Sukhasanam. Easy chair also we can say Sukhasanam. Next person, Nalini, you can read.
Chandraha.
Not Chandraha.
Chandaha.
Chadaha. The word is Chadaha.
Chadaha. Pullingaha. Ramashabdaha. So Chadaha. Chadau. Chadaha.
Okay.
Sopanam. Napumsakalingam. Sopanam. Sopane. Sopani.
Okay. Sopana means steps. Chadaha means wall. Chadaha means to be the wall of the building. It's called Chadaha.
Ji,
Yeah.
Ji, one doubt. Sopanani or Sopani?
What did she read?
She said Sopani, but
Not
last time
Sopani.
you said that
Not
last.
Sopani. Sopanani it must be. Sopanam, Sopane, Sopanani only. Not Sopani. The last letter is replaced by Ani. Okay. Palam, Pale, Palani, the same way. Not Sopani. Okay. Sopanani. Sopana is the Shabda. The last Makara is removed and then Ani is added. Sopanani. Steps. Okay. Next person, Shruti ji, you can read.
Pitaha is Pullinga. Pitaha, Pitau, Pitaha. Javanika is Srilinga. Rama Shabda like that. Javanika, Javanike, Javanikaha.
Yes. So Pita is this. Again, Pita means seat. Javanika is the curtain. Pitaha is Pullinga. Javanika Strilinga. Sopanam Napumsakalingaha. Chadaha Pullinga. Chada means the ceiling. Wall ceiling also. The wall they have got different word. Bittihi is there. Chadaha is the ceiling. You can say wall also. Nothing wrong with that. Chadaha. Next one. Next person can read. Jyoti ji.
हरि ओम गुरुजी वातायन शब्दः वातायन तैलदीप शब्दः तैलदीपः तैलदीपौ तैलदीपाः.
Yes, Vatayanam. Vatayanam means window. Ayanam means the path. Ramayanam, we say the path, the destination, the route of Rama. It's called Ramayanam. Vata means Vayu. Vata, Pitta, Kapha and all we say in Ayurveda. Vata is Vayu. So the path of Vata, Vayu, is called Vatayanam, the path through which the Vayu, the air passes through. That's the window. Taila Deepaha. Deepaha means lamp, oil lamp. Taila is oil. So Taila Deepaha, oil lamp. Next person. Priyaji.
Yes. करदीपः पुल्लिङ्गः करदीपः करदीपौ करदीपाः कटी स्त्रीलिङ्ग कटी कट्यौ कट्यः
It is not ka, it is gha, ghati.
घटी
It is
घटी
Mahaprana, gha, ghati, ghatyau, ghatyah.
घट्यः
Ka, kha, ga, gha. Okay, that gha is the fourth letter of the first class. Ghati means clock. Kara deepaha. Deepaha means light. Kara is hand. So light in the hand. What is the light in the hand? Only Devatas, only the Bhagavan has got light in the hand. In
Flashlight.
Varamudra, you see in the picture, a light coming from the hand. But what light we are talking about here is torch light.
torchlight
Deepaha kare vartate. Deepaha, kara deepaha. That which you hold in your hand, and that is a light, kara deepaha. Okay, next one, Sri Vidyaji. Can you hear me? Can read, Sri Vidyaji? Okay, next person can read, Amritaji.
Yes. Goladipah Pullinga.
Yeah.
Goladipah Goladipau Goladipaha.
Yeah.
Kapatika Kapatika Kapatike Kapatikaha.
Next one also you can read.
Duravani
Hmm.
Strilinga Duravani Durvanyau Durvanyah.
Okay. Duravani, Duravanyau, Duravanyah. Nadi Shabdavat. So Duravani is Trilinga. Kapatika is, Duravani means you know, it is telephone. Jangama Duravani is mobile phone. Jangama is movement. So the phone doesn't move, but the person who speaks, he moves. So Jangama Duravani. Kapatika is cupboard. Gola Deepaha is a tube light. Gola Deepaha. So all these are the objects which you find in a Virga. The next one, next person can read. Mekalaji. Mekalaji, you can read the next one. Vahanam. Can you hear
Sorry.
me, all of you?
Yes. Lokayanam is neuter gender Napuksanklinga.
Napumsakalinga.
Lokayanam. Lokayane. Lokayani.
Lokayanani. Not you.
Rikshaya. Okay. Lokayanani. Then rikshayanam is rickshaw, I'm guessing. It's again neuter gender. Rikshayanam, rikshayane, rikshayanani.
Yes. Lokayanam is bus, common, people transport.
What is it?
Bus. Lokayanam. Yana means
Bus.
Ya means in Sanskritam, the
Transport.
Ya means to go. The verbal root Ya means to go. So Yana means movement. Lokayana means Loka refers to the people. So public. So public transport. It means bus. That is how we have to take the meaning. Okay. Lokayanam means bus. Public transport. It means bus. Rikshayanam means riksha. The next one. Next person can read. Lataji.
Guruji, can I try now?
Yeah,
I'm
you can
Vidya.
do.
Shri
Yes,
Vidya.
yes, yes. Do it, please.
Okay. Thank you, Guruji.
And you can note all these words. Vocabulary is important. That's how when you learn and decline, we develop a vocabulary. So you can use all these words in our day-to-day life. Please read. Srividya.
लिङ्गः रेल्यान शब्द रेल्याने
No, it's not rail.
रेल्यानि
No, listen. It is Relayanam. You cannot cut the vowel in between.
रेलयानम् oh my god रेलयानं रेलयाने रेलयान नानि and नपुंसकलिङ्गः विमानशब्दः विमानं विमाने विमानानि.
Yeah. So we know the meaning. Relayanam is a rail. Relayanam, Relayane, Relayanani. I don't know. I didn't hear the last one properly. Relayanani. And Vimanam, Vimanam, Vimane, Vimanani. Okay. Aeroplane. The next one can read. Lataji.
Yes, Guruji. Udupaha. Udupaha. Udupau. Udupaha.
Yes.
Mahanauka. Mahanauka. Mahanauke. Mahanaukaha.
Yes.
Kani.
Not Kani. Mahanauka only. It is Strilinga Shabda. Mahanaukaha only.
Oh, sorry.
Udupa and Udupa is Pullinga. Mahanauka is Strilinga. Nauka is Strilinga. So Mahanauka, Nauka means boat. Mahanauka is ship. Udupaha is the raft. The raft is called Udupa. So Udupa is Pullinga, Mahanauka. So all the words what you see here are given the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam he has given. From that only we can make out what gender is that. Mahanauka, Udupaha, Vimanam, all these are Ekavachanam, singular. From that we can make out the gender. Next one, next person. Prabhakarji can read.
Yes, Guruji. It's Bharavahakam. It's Napumsakalinga Ekavachanam. Bharavahakam. Bharavahake. Bharavahakani.
Yes.
Shibika. It's Strilinga Ekavachanam word. Shabika, Shabike, and it's Shabikaha.
It is Shibika, not Shabika.
Oh, Shibika, yeah, sorry, good. Shibikaha.
Shibika, Shibike, Shibikaha. So Bharavahakam is Napumsakalinga, Shibika is Strilinga. So Bharavahakam, that which carries a load, a loader, a load vehicle. Bharam Bhagati. Bhara is load. Vagakam, that which carries a load. So it could be a lorry, a trailer, whatever it may be. Shibika is palanquin. Shibika. Okay, then first person. Next person. Girija, you can read the next two.
Yes, Guruji. Rushabha Shakataha. This is Pullinga. Rushabha Rama.
Are you using speaker or headphone?
Speaker, Guruji.
That's why it's a problem. Speaker use echo is there. Don't use speaker. Always tell don't use speaker. Always use headphone.
For my iPad, I don't have the headphones. Only for the phone, it is working, not with the iPad.
No, from the next class, you please headphone.
Okay. In this case, I'll give it a pass, Guruji. Let someone else read.
Guruji, can I try?
Yeah, do it, please.
Rishabh Kausalya.
Yeah.
Rishabha Shatakaha. Rishabha Shatakau.
Shakata.
Shakata, it is. Not Shataka. Shakata.
Shakata, sorry. ऋषभशकटः ऋषभशकटौ ऋषभशकटाः
Okay.
कारयानं कारयाने कारयानानि
Okay. Karyanam, we know it's a car. Shakata is cart. Rishabha is bullock cart. Rishabha Shakataha. Okay. Next person can do. Manjula ji.
द्विचक्रिका
Not that one. Not Vichakrika. You can say at the top.
ऋणवाहिक
Above that. I don't know what they are
Jeep.
saying.
Yes,
Jeep.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Jeep piano.
जीपयानम् इट् इस् नपुंसकलिङ्गः जीपयानशब्दः जीपयानं जीपयाने जीपयानानि
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट् वर्ड् रुग्णवाहिका रुग्णवाहिका इस् पुल्लिङ्गः
Strilinga.
सारी स्त्रीलिङ्गः रमाशब्दवत् रुग्णवाहिका रुग्णवाहिके रमा रमे रमाः रुग्णवाहिकाः.
Please practice the Shabda. Shabda should come spontaneously. Rama, Rame, Ramaha should be there. Vagika, Vagike, Vagikaha. Rugna, Vagika, Rugna, Vagike, Rugna, Vagikaha. Unless you know the Shabda, later it will become difficult. So the Shabda has to be memorized. It's the right time. Then after that, you will see one by one, you keep on adding. So Jeep Yanam, okay, anyway, Jeep Yanam is Jeep. Rugna Vagika is the one who is deceased or not well. Rugna, Roga. Roga is one is not well. Vagika, that which carries. So it means what? Ambulance. Rugna Vagika means ambulance. The vehicle which carries the Rugna, the deceased or the patient. It's called Rugna Vagika. Okay, next person. Nalini ji.
द्विचक्रिका स्त्रीलिंग द्विचक्रिका द्विचक्रिके द्विचक्रिकाः नौका रामशब्द पुल्लिंगम
No. What can be Rama Shabda?
नौका स्त्रीलिंग नौका नौके नौकाः.
Okay. Dvichakrika, bicycle. Two-wheeler. Any two-wheeler is called Dvichakrika. Nauka is ship. Both are Pullinga, sorry, Strilinga only. Okay. Next person. Shruti ji.
मार्गः पुल्लिङ्गं मार्गः मार्गौ मार्गाः त्रिचक्रिका स्त्रीलिङ्गं त्रिचक्रिका त्रिचक्रिके त्रिचक्रिकाः.
Yeah, Marga means path. Trichakrika, three-wheeler. All these words are difficult to decline the Shabda.
No, Guruji.
No, Guruji.
Already we have seen, we have been reading. So Shabdas we are chanting every class. And many Shabdas we have seen. So it must be familiar by this time. But I see some difficulty in declension. Next person. Who is the next person? Jyoti ji. Vrittihi. Vrittihi means activity. Activity. Based on the activities, the names are given here. Yeah, you can read.
पुल्लिङ्गः गायकशब्दः गायकः गायकौ गायकाः. अगेन् पुल्लिङ्ग आरक्षकः आरक्षकौ आरक्षकाः.
So Gayaka is singer. Arakshaka. Raksh means to protect. Rakshakaha, the protector. Arakshakaha, police. All these are from the verbal root dhatus. The Gayaka also. we saw in the last class, we read the Kriya Padam Gayati. You remember?
Yes, Guruji.
Gayati. From that only, Gayati becomes Gayaka. Rakshati, that also we saw. Rakshati becomes Rakshaka.
Rakshakaha.
Rakshati, Raksha is the Dhatu, verbal root. From that, the Kriya Padam Rakshati is derived. From the same Dhatu, another, a noun is derived, Rakshaka. But the root is Raksha only, to protect. So it will have the root meaning. So Gai, that is Gayati, singing, Gayakaha, singer. Similarly, Rakshati protects, Rakshakaha, protector, Arakshakaha, police. So when you learn the Kriya Padam, you identify the verbal root. I'll tell you more about that later. So knowing the verbal root, you can make out the meaning of a noun. To some extent, you can make out. It's possible. Okay, the next person. Who's the next person? Priyaji.
Yes. Rajakaha, Rajakaha, Rajakau, Rajakaha. Pullinga. Divaraha, Divaraha, Divarau, Divaraha.
Yes.
Pullinga.
Rajaka is washerman. Divaraha, fisherman. Okay. Next person.
Guruji cannot hear you. What is Jiva?
Huh?
What is Divaraha?
Fisherman. Divaraha. Rajaka is Dobi. Next person. Kausalyaji.
Sevakaha, Sevakau, Sevakaha. Sainikaha, Sainikau, Sainikaha.
Sevaka, servant. That is also from the save dhatu. The one who serves. It's called server. Server means servant. Sevaka. Sevate, Kriya Padam is sevate. Sainika is soldier. Sainika, Sena, all these words. Sena, Strilinga. Akarantaha, Strilinga Shabdaha. Sena. Senani. Senapati, commander. Okay. Next person, Amritaji. Amritaji or Srividyaji? Srividyaji.
Srividya Guruji. Chitrakarah, Pullingah, Chitrakara Shabdah, Chitrakarah, Chitrakarau, Chitrakaraha, Sauchikaha, Pullinga, Sauchika Shabdah, Sauchikaha, Sauchikau, Sauchikaha.
Chitrakaraha means the one who does the chitra.
Actor.
Painter.
Artist.
Artist also you can say. The one who does it. But we have a word for it. Anyway, that also you can say. Abhineta, you can say. Abhineta, actor. Abhinetri, actress. So that meaning also you can give Chitrakaraha. So it's a painter or an artist also. Both meaning can be taken. Sauchika is the tailor. Sivyati means stitches. So from that only it comes. Sauchika. Sauchika is tailor. Okay, next person. Amritaji.
Yes. Pullingah Chalaka Shabdah. Chalakah Chalakau Chalakaha. Pullinga Krishaka Shabdah. Krishakaha Krishakau Krishakaha.
All these are simple. Everything is Pullinga only. So Chalaka is the driver. Chalati, the Kriya Padam, the Dhatu is Chal. Chalati means moves. The one who caused to move becomes Chalaka. Listen, Chalati, Ramaha Chalati. Rama moves. Ramaha Chalayati, when you say. Rama is caused to move. Chalayati. Like Acharyaha Patati. Acharya reads. Acharyaha Patayati. Caused to read. It means teaches. So you will see patati, patayati, kadati, kadayati, chalati, chalayati. Therefore, chalaka, driver, because he causes the vehicle to move. He is not the owner of the vehicle. He is only a driver. Therefore, yanam chalayati, iti chalakaha. Krishakaha, krish means to draw, to pull. Krishakaha, farmer. He does the plowing. Therefore, Krishaka is farmer. Next person. Mekalaji.
Yes. Takshakah, takshakau, takshakaah, pullingah. Lohakarah, lohakarau, lohakaraah. That means ironmonger, right? I mean,
Goldsmith.
one who works on goldsmith, not ironmonger.
Sorry, ironsmith. And ironsmith. Suvarnakaraha is goldsmith. Okay.
Gold.
Loha is
Loha means iron, correct?
ironsmith,
Iron.
yes.
And what does takshakah mean?
Carpenter. Takshaka is carpenter.
Okay, thank you.
Lohakaraha, ironsmith, and Suvarnakaraha, goldsmith. Suvarna means gold.
Goldsmith.
Okay. All these words you can remember. May be very useful later when we do the translations. Lataji, next one.
Adhyapaka. It is a Strilinga or pulling sabda, Guruji?
Adhyapakaha. He has given the plural form. Pullinga
Yes,
only.
okay.
If it is Strilinga, what will be the form?
Adhyapika.
Adhyapika.
Adhyapika. Okay.
So, Adhyapaka, Adhyapakau, Adhyapakaah.
There is no Adhyapaka. Adhyapakaha must be. Ramaha, right?
Adhyapakaha.
Ramaha. Adhyapakaha. Teacher.
Adhyapakaha, Adhyapakau, Adhyapakaah.
Yes. Next one.
Patravahaka. Pulling sabda. Patravahaka, Patravahakau,
Patravahakaha. You have to
Kaha.
say the result.
Patravahakaha, Patravahakaha, Patravahakau, Patravahakaah.
So Patram Vahati. Adhyapaka we know teacher. Patram Vahati, the one who carries, who brings. Patra, letter. Postman.
Postman.
Patra means letter. Patra means letter. Patra can also mean leaf. Okay. Patram pushpam palam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati. So patra can be a leaf also. Patra can be a letter also. Vagaka, the one who carries, one who brings, postman. Okay, next person. Prabhakar.
Yes, Guruji. Shribikaha, Pullingaha, Ekavachanam.
Shramikaha.
Shribik. Okay.
Shrami.
Shamikaha. Shamikaha.
Not Shramikaha.
Shramikau.
It is Shra. S-H-R-A. Shramikaha.
Shramikaha.
Yes.
Shramikaha, Shramikau, Shramikaha. Lipikaha, Pullinga word. Lipikaha, Lipikau, Lipikaha.
Yes. Shramika is, Shrama means effort. So Shramika means what? And guess the meaning.
Labor.
Labor.
Laborer.
Yes. Shramika is laborer. And Lipika, means script. Lipikaha is
Writer.
Script writer.
Writer, yes. So you can make out the meaning easily. In all these words, you will see kaha, kaha, kaha is added. So if you add kaha, it refers to the person who is doing the job. Okay.
So adhyapak, it should not be adhyapakaha, correct? It should be adhyapakaha.
Yes, given Bhagavachanam
Yes,
to check you that you make out the right.
Whether you
that's right.
okay.
Next one. Pushpani. Pushpani. That also, Pushpani, the word Pushpa is Napumsakalinga. Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpani. Flowers. But inside the flowers, you will see the list, flowers list. There you will have Strilinga also. Okay. Next person can read. Kamakshi ji.
कुमुदं नपुंसकलिङ्गं कुमुदं कुमुदे कुमुदानि
Kumudam. Okay. Can read. Continue.
सूर्यकान्तिः सूर्यकान्तयः
Like what shabda?
मति शब्द.
So Suryakantihi, Suryakantaya. Yes. Suryakantaya is Ikaranta.
Ji, Kumuda means lotus or?
Kumuda means lotus only. But they say Kumuda is lily.
Lily. Okay.
Because lotus, which is in the daytime.
Kamalam.
And there are many words for lotus. Similarly, this is Kumuda means lily. Lily also Utpalam is there. Other names are there for lily. Night lotus, they say. It must be lily. Okay. The next one. Girija ji. Okay. Can you read?
Guruji. Mallika. Mallika. Mallike. Mallikaha.
You know the meaning. Mallika is
jasmine.
Jasmine. In Tamil we call Malli only. So it's like same.
Yep. We call Malle in Telugu.
Yes, same. Mallika. Srilinga.
Yep.
Then the next one.
Japa kusumam. Japa kusume. Japa kusumani.
Japa kusuma sankasham. It comes in Lalita Sahasranama.
Yeah.
Japa kusumam. Hibiscus.
Yes. Japa kusumam. Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. Okay. Okay, I think all these flowers I myself will read. All these are simple flower names. Ashoka. Ashokam is a flower. Jati. Jati is also the name of the flower. Mandaram. Sudarshana.
Hibiscus.
Patalam. Patalam means rose. Shanka Pushpam. In Tamil we say Shanka Pushpam. The same. Shanka Pushpam. I don't know what they say in English. Then Sevantika. Sevantika, to find what this means. Sevantika is
Javanti.
Javantipu.
Sevanti, maybe it's Sevanti. Samandi, maybe. Sevantika.
Chrysanthemum.
Maybe chrysanthemum. Yes, chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum means, is it Samandi?
Yep.
Yes.
Javanti.
Sevantika. Kamalam, lotus.
Guruji, Sudarshana.
Huh?
What is Sudarshana?
Sudarshana is, I don't know what is the name of the flower. Which flower we have to, I don't know the name even in English. I have not seen the flower. Or maybe I would have seen, I don't know the name. It's a flower.
It's the chakram which Vishnu has. Sudarshana chakram.
Yes, yeah, Sudarshana chakram, but what flower is there? Names of flowers. We should know in English, even we should know in mother tongue. Mother tongue, it's many flower names we don't know.
Tamil Guruji.
Huh? Sorry?
What is Sudarshana? Tamil.
I don't know. Only when I see the flower, I can tell you. I don't know what Sudarshana is.
Sudarshana means something which is pretty to look at, right? Sudarshana.
Yeah. Sushta Darshanam. Yes. Darshana is seeing.
Every flower is pretty.
So, and Karnikaraha,
Good to see.
I don't know, that also it's a name of the lotus, which I don't know, name of the, not lotus, sorry, name of some flower. Okay. Leave it out, no problem, I don't know. The next one, we can read Palani, Shakani. Palani is fruits, Shaka is vegetables. By going through all these shabdas, we get to know the gender, the declension. Whatever we studied is all revision only. Okay, the next person can read. Who is the next person? Manjula ji.
Yes, Guruji. Sevam, Seve, Sevani.
Same, okay.
Bijapuram, Bijapure, Bijapurani.
Yeah. Sevam is Sevapalam.
Apple.
Apple. Seva is apple. Okay. Bijapura is, it is Goa. Okay, Bijapura. So Bijapuram. Palam, many shabdas, all the shabdas it will be in neuter gender only. Next person, Naraniji, you can read.
Kadali. Like Mati Shabda. Kadali.
Yes.
Kadali. Kadalyaha.
Yeah, it's not Madi Shabda. It is like what Shabda? Nadi Shabda.
Nadi.
Nadi.
Kadali also we say Kadali Palam. Therefore, Kadali Palam, Kadali Pare, Kadali Palani. Or Kadali is Ikaranta, is an exception. Kadali also we can say. Kadali, Kadalyo, Kadalyaha. Nadi Shabda. Ikaranta. It means Kadali is banana. Okay. Ikaranta Shabda. Next one, you can read.
Panasam. Napumsakalingam. Panasam. Panasre. Panasanani.
Not Panasam. Panasani. Panasani only. Panasam, Panase, Panasani. Okay. Panasapalam, jackfruit. Declension is important. The meaning is okay, one part. The declension. Panasam, Panase, Panasani. Not Panasanani. Panasa and then Ani. Panasani only. Okay. Next person. Naliniji.
I just finished, Guruji.
Oh, okay. Next person. Next person. Shrutiji.
Dadimam. Yeah. Dadimam. Napumsakalingaha. Dadimam. Dadime. Dadimani. Ananasam. Napumsakalingaha. Lingaha. Ananasam. Ananasame. Ananase. Ananasani.
Yeah. Ananasam.
Ananasani.
Ananase, Ananasani.
Ananasani.
Dadimam is pomegranate. Ananasam is, I don't know in English.
Pineapple.
Okay,
Pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple. Sorry, yeah. Pineapple. Ananasam. Ananasam. Next one.
What's Dadimam?
Panasam. Pomegranate.
What's jackfruit?
Panasam is jackfruit. Dadimam is pomegranate. Next person, Jyotiji.
Amalakam, Amalake, Amalakani. Alukam, Aluke, Alukani.
Alukam we know, alu, potato. Amalakam, Amalaka fruit, gooseberry.
Gooseberry.
Astamalaka. Astamalakam. Astamalaka is there. Hastahamalaka, that is gooseberry in the hand. So Astamalaka. Astamalaka is a famous. You know the Astamalakam?
A disciple of Shankaracharya.
Yes. Astamalaka. Next one. Next person can read.
Harita.
Yeah.
Yes. Haritam. Harite. Haritani. Karavelam. Karavelam. Karavelle. Karavelani.
Yeah. Karavelam is curry leaves. Haritam, green leaves. All these are leaves. Haritam, Karavelam. Next one. Kausalyaji.
Lashunam. Lashuni. Lashunani.
Yeah.
Marichika. Marichike. Marichikaha.
Okay. So Lashunam. Lashunam is?
Garlic.
Lashunam is garlic. Marichika is, it is? Chili. Marichika. Lashunam. Next one, Nalikeram. Myself will do.
Nalikeram.
Okay, please do.
Nalikeram. Nalikere. Nalikani. Nalikerani.
Okay.
Amram. Amre. Amrani.
Okay. Next one also you can do it.
गृञ्जनके गृञ्जनकानि
गृञ्जनम्
Grinjanakam, grinjanake, grinjanakani.
गृञ्जनकं गृञ्जनके गृञ्जनकानि. All of these are napunsakalingaha.
Yeah, napumsakalinga. So,
And pala.
alikeram, coconut. Amram, mango. Grinjanakam, carrot. So, okay. We'll continue this later. Now let us do this. The next one. So these are some of the shabdas. So to get familiar with the words. Next person. Who knows the next person? Who read now?
Mekalaji.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Next person, Lataji. You can see the
Lata?
screen. Yeah, Lata.
Who is it, sir?
Lata can read.
Lata? Okay.
Yeah. Manjushataha, let me read, you can listen. Manjushataha padam chitva raktastanani purayata. This is continuation to what we saw in the last class. Manjushataha means that which is given in the Manjusha, in the Manjusha table. Padam chitva, you have to choose the right padam and fill in the blanks. Mayuraha is there. The first one, Mayuraha dash. You can fill in the blank.
Mayuraha Chalataha.
Nrityanti.
Nityanti. Mayuraha Nityanti.
Who said this? Lataji. Why you said Charataha?
I didn't, sorry, Guruji.
Okay, what is the mistake in that?
Chalataha, it is a pulling a sabda. Mayuraha, it's a sabda.
1 minute, let us speak. Okay, Lataji speak. Okay, you tell me. Tell again.
Mayuraha is a Srilinga sabda.
Okay.
But what I did a mistake is Chalataha is a pulling a sabda, Guruji.
Is it a shabda? 1 minute. Okay, let Lataji speak. Okay, between me and Lataji.
Okay.
Mayuraha, Chalataha, when you are saying, what do you understand by the word Chalataha?
Chalataha means it walks.
How can it be a shabda?
Kriyapad is Guruji.
It is a kriya padam. It is not a shabda.
It's a pulling a kriya sabda.
How can kriya padam have linga? Kriya padam have linga?
No, Guruji, no.
Then how can you say it is a mismatch of linga? Mayuraha, you are saying it is Strilinga and Charataha is Pullinga.
Yes.
Understand the mistake? What? Some
Yes.
confusion is there.
Yes.
Strong confusion. Okay. Kriya Padam doesn't have linga. Does Kriya Padam have linga? Tell me anybody. Huh?
No.
Whether a man needs or woman needs or any being, any napumsaka, eat is only. Walk is walk. Dance is dance only. Kriya Padam doesn't have linga. How do we decline the Kriya?
Chalataha.
Chalataha is Dvivachana. That's all.
Dvivachanam.
Kriya Padam has got only Purusha. What Purusha? Purusha means what? Purusha means person. First person, second person, third person. Whatever may be the gender, doesn't matter. Only they have to be within the three Purusha only. And a Vachanam should be matched. And the Vachanam of the Purusha with the Shabda, with the Namapadam should match. Mayuraha Nrityanti. Now, Mayuraha is, you see the words in the Manjusha, in the column. Nrityanti Bhagavachanam. Garjataha Dvivachanam. Davati Ekavachanam. Chalataha Palanti
Bahuvachanam.
Khadati
Ekavachanam.
Mayuraha. Now, is it a Shabda or a Kriya Padam?
Shabda.
I mean, it's a Padam, Nama Padam, right? Shabda is Mayura. In the Mayura, you are getting the Padam Mayuraha, which is Bhagavachanam, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. It is the subject doing an action, right? Now,
Yes.
Mayuraha is Bhagavachanam. Pratama Vibhakti
Yes, yes.
Bhagavachanam. The Kriya Padam must match with the Vachanam of the subject, the sentence. Therefore, among the words in the Manjusha, only 2 words are there. 2 Kriya Padams can fit. One is Nrityanti, other one is Palanti. Mayuraha is peacock. Peacock cannot give fruits. It can only dance. The option Mayuraha Nrityanti, right? So where is the gender? You do the next one also, Lataji.
Yes, Guruji. Simhau Garjatah.
I understand now. Okay, next one. Continue. Continue. Gajau.
Gajau. Yes, Guruji. Gajau Chalatah.
Because you did a mistake, you will do all the sentence. Do it.
Yes, Guruji. Banaraha Davati.
Continue.
Vrikshaha Falanti.
Okay.
Ashvaha Davati.
Yes. Everybody understands now.
Yes, Guruji. Thank you.
The next one, Prabhakarji, you can read. Saha taute ityetebhyaha uchitam sarvanama padam chitva riktasthanani purayata. You know what sarvanama padam is? Sarvanama means pronoun. Why it is called sarvanama? It's very interesting. I will tell you later. Now, Prabhakarji, you can read. Prabhakarji, are you there? Okay. If it's not there, next person can read. Kamakshiji can read. Ashvaha Davati is an example is given. In the place of Ashvaha, Saha Davati. Right? Now you have to use appropriate pronoun. Saha Taute. 3 things are there. Depending on what you use. Kriyapadam. Vachanam of the Kriyapadam. Right?
Vachanam of the.
Yeah.
Gajaha Chalanti. Te Chalanti. Gajaha Bahuvachanam. Chalanti Bahuvachanam. Te Chalanti. Saha Taute.
Yes, good. Continue. You can do the.
Atrau Likataha. Tau Likataha. Dvivachanam.
Yes.
Vanaraha Kridanti. Te Kridanti. Bahuvachanam. Gayakaha Gayati. Saha Gayati. Ekavachanam. Vrikshau Phalataha. Tau Phalataha. Dvivachanam.
Yes. All of you understand? If one person reads, other person I hope
Yes,
understands.
Guruji. Yes, Guruji.
Dhyatavyam, to be known, you should remember this. Dhyatavyam. Pay attention to this. What is that? Samskrite Trini Lingani Bhavanti. In Samskrita, there are 3 lingas. Pullingaha, Strilingaha, Napumsakalingaha, Cha. Samskrite Trayaha Purushaha Bhavanti. 3 Purushas. Pratama Purushaha, Madhyama Purushaha, Uttama Purushaha, Cha. Trini Vachanani Santi. Bhavanti. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. All these things we know. So we will move on to the next one. All these are simple words. Already we are familiar with these words. You can just quickly read. Girijaji can read.
Chhatra, Sikshika, Paricharika.
Paricharika is
Chataka.
nurse.
Servant maid.
Yeah.
Maid. Oh. Okay. Chataka.
Okay.
Aja. Pipilika. Nauka. Kuchika.
Kunchika.
Khatika.
Okay.
Kunchika. Sorry, I read it as Kuchika. Kunchika. Ghatika. Pakashala. Dvichakrika. Dola. Utpitika. Javanika. Suchika.
Okay. All these are Strilinga Shabda. Next person can read. Manjulaji.
Yes, Guruji.
Start from the first one. Petika.
Petika, अग्निपेटिका छुरिका हद
Read this. Khatwa.
खटवा
Katwa.
प्रयोगशाला
Katwa. Katwa means caught. Okay.
ओके
Continue.
ओके गुरुजी प्रयोगशाला
Prayogashala.
दिनदर्शिका
Prayogashala is
Lab.
lab.
laboratory
Yes.
दिनदर्शिका daily paper newspaper
Calendar. Not paper.
Calendar.
okay calendar
Dinam
Calendar.
darshati. That which shows that dina. Dina is a date. So calendar.
okay okay
Okay.
मापिका
Hmm.
माला तुला
Tula, dola. Difference is there. Tula is weighing balance. Dola is swing. Okay. Continue.
okay
Please quickly.
मक्षिका
Okay. Please continue. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes, Guruji.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Sorry.
Guruji.
But
It's
it's
a
breaking.
net problem. Yeah, please can read quickly. Yeah, please read. The person who was reading.
Should we write names again, Guruji?
Not required. When we are at the end of the class now, the person who was reading can read. Or anybody who wants to read can read. No problem. Please read.
Guruji I can't see the next words Guruji
Makshika you can see, right?
Complete.
yeah
Makshika.
Makshika
Finished.
You can start.
Makshika
You can
Vriddha
start. Oh, yeah.
Pathashala.
You can start. You can read from Makshika again. I didn't hear.
okay Guruji Makshika वृद्धा पाठशाला वीणा सिक्तवर्तिका लता
Okay. Okay. Then the next lesson we can do, and then we can stop. Okay. I'm not calling the names. Anybody can read. Please read. Because names are not in my chat list. Because the interruption came, names have gone. So I cannot call the names. You can.
Okay.
Anybody wants to read? Please read. You can tell me the name and read. Who is reading?
yeah Manjula
Yeah, please read. Please read. Yeah.
एषः कः
When you read, you can explain the sentence. Yeah.
yes Guruji एकवचनं पुल्लिङ्गः
Which one?
एषः कः
No, which is ekavachanam pullinga?
एषः
Yeshaha is Pratama Vibhakti ekavachanam of etat shabda pullinga. Kaha Pratama Vibhakti ekavachanam of kim shabda pullinga. Right?
yes Guruji
Okay. So
Yeshaha
translation will be who is
this?
This. Esha refers to person, refers to that which is close, very close. Okay. Answer is
एषः राजेशः
okay.
एषः
This is
राजेशः
Rajesh.
this is
Ra-
Rajesh
Okay.
Rajesh is the एकवचनं पुल्लिङ्गः शब्दः
Okay.
सः किं करोति what he is doing
What
is
does
he
he do?
doing?
Okay.
yes Guruji सः एकवचनं सः तेतः
Tagataute.
सः तौते yes Guruji सः हसति he is laughing
Okay. So when you say a word, you have to tell in this format. Saha. Tat shabdaha. Tat shabdaha. Tat shabda. Pullinga. And a pratama vibhakti ekavachanam is saha. Karoti is Pratama Purushaha, first person, I mean third person in English. Pratama Purusha in Sanskritam, third person in English, Karoti, it is Ekavachanam. Saha Karoti. Kim, what does they do? Kim is indeclinable. Avyaya, cannot be declined. Saha Hasati. Here Kim is indeclinable. Okay. In Napumsakalinga we decline. That Kim is different, this Kim is different. Saha Hasati. He laughs. Okay. Next person can read. Next one.
Esha ka, Srividya Guruji.
Yeah, please read.
Esha ka. Esha is Etat Shabda Strilinga Ekavachanam.
Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Say Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Esha ka. Who's this? Esha Shikshika. This is a teacher.
Teacher. Another word for
a female
Shikshika.
Teacher. Shikshika.
Another
Adhyapika.
Adhyapika. Okay.
Sa Kim Karoti. What is she doing? Sa is the Tat Shabda. Srilinga. Pratama Vibhakti. Strilinga, Ekavachanam, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Yes.
And Sa Likati. Sa Kim Karoti, what is she doing? Sa Likati, she is writing. Kim Sa Padati.
This is a question. Expecting the answer to be yes or no. Kim Sa Patati. The tone has to
Sa
change.
Padati. Kim Sa Patati. Sa Na Patati. Sa Tu Likati.
Yes.
Sa tu likati. She is not learning.
Reading.
She's not reading. She's not reading. She is writing.
Yes.
But she's writing too. Yeah.
Yeah. Next person.
Thank you.
Anybody can read. Next one.
Guruji Nalini. Yetau cow.
Okay.
Who are these?
Have we seen this before? This lesson? I think we have seen.
Yes, we have. We have done it.
We have seen this.
Anyway.
It seems familiar.
Okay, that's why. Okay. Anyway, doesn't matter. So you can just read. We'll stop here with this. Please read.
Yetau cow. Dvivachanam. Who are these? Yetau ba. They are two boys.
Okay.
Tau kim kurtaha. Dvivachanam. What are they doing? Tau kelataha. They are playing.
Okay. I think it's we can stop here. What do you think about the pace of the class? It's going it because I see many people are struggling with even declining the basic shabda. So the class pace is, I think it is fine for me because depending on your, I mean, the pickup of the lessons.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes,
If you want to
Guruji.
increase your pace, we can increase also.
No. This
No,
is
I think this
okay.
is the best.
This is okay.
Guruji, same page.
This page is good.
This pace is fine.
At least for me.
Yeah.
And you need to do homework. I don't see, because if you've done homework, you'll be able to read fluently. I will be able to decline the shabda. Please do homework. Recording each other, you listen to it, and I'll send you whatever materials I have. This lessons, whatever I prepared, this week I'll send you. You can go through the lessons. The Samskrita Patanam file number 1 I will send. You can just go through the file. Okay. Hello. Can you hear me? Yes? No? Oh, hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah.
Guruji.
Sorry, I will send you the file number 1. You can go to the file. Right?
Okay, okay, Guruji.
Okay.
Okay, Guruji.
We can stop here.
Guruji, for these days, can we take everyday class?
It depends on the people. You can message me. We can do whichever class you
Yes,
want.
I'm ready for it, Guruji.
Sanskrit ji, every day?
Yes, yeah, Sanskrit class
no.
every day.
Oh, difficult ji.
Guruji,
Yeah.
Srividya here. You were talking about conducting Lalita Sahasranamam classes.
I have not yet started.
I'll be very interested, Guruji. Okay.
Yes, Guruji, please. Lalita Sahasranam.
To recite the
Yeah, only recitation. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'd also love to do that.
The meaning is the meaning is to learn the meaning. We should know a lot of things. So,
Shanti?
only recitation.
Yes.
Okay, Guruji.
Vishnu Sahasranamam, the meaning also can be taken, but that also it's a class. It is not just saying the word meaning. It has to be explained. It is because Bhashyam is there. Commentary written by Shankar Bhagavad Pada is there for Vishnu Sahasranam. Similarly, for Lalita Sahasranam also Bhashyam is there. The Bhaskaraya. But understanding the meaning of Lalita Sahasranam is not easy. We should know other things. Shividya and all. Better to know the chanting. That is enough. More than enough.
Okay, Guruji.
Yeah, we are
We
ready
not
for
know the meaning
chanting.
and all. Meaning and all, it's another level. Meaning of Lalita Sahasranamam, Soundaralagari, it's not easy. Not simple meaning. It's all upasana.
Are you planning during this lockout period?
Lalita Sahasranam is not lockdown period. It is only every Saturday evening, 9 o'clock. That is the only time I can do. No other time is there.
Okay.
That I told
Guruji,
you can as long back to message me. Some people have messaged. I have not yet formed a group. You can again message me. So I will form a group and keep the names. Once I start, I will let you know.
Thank you, Guruji.
Other things, whatever you want to learn, you can message me in the group. Let me see the availability of others also. Then we can, if there are more people, we can have a class. Okay.
Okay, Guruji. Thank you, Guruji.
So now we can stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om
Om.
Namaste, Guruji. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.